Hi, I'm Helen from eSpares. If you find that your dishwasher is not draining away properly, it could be due to a damaged filter, letting food waste collect in your drainage channels and clog them. I'm going to show you how to change the filter in this Bosch dishwasher. Now, like most dishwashers, Bosch filters come in three parts. We have the inner coarse filter, then a mesh filter, and then a very fine mesh filter on the outside. Now, these parts all come as one spare part together. I'm going to start by removing the lower basket and spray arm and put them to one side. Now the filter, the first two parts, twist and pull out. Then we need to remove this metal mesh, which is also available as a spare, and then we can get to the very fine mesh filter. Now, as you can see, water can collect in there, so these will be a bit wet. So then we pop the fine mesh back in, replace this metal, and then pop this in and twist it in place. And then we can just replace the baskets and we're good to go. Filters for most makes and models of dishwasher can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.